What's up, guys? It's me, Eddie. I'm Eddie, and this is me, Eddie. Today, I'm going to be testing every Monkey Blocks myths that I could find. I'm just going to start. Alright, guys, so the first myth is like you can place blocks inside of each other. I'm just going to show you this. Frick! No. 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 Yes. Did you see? You could like. Myth is real. Let's move on to the next myth. Alright, so the next myth is that if you build a bouncy ball, it will bounce like a bouncy ball. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to go build this. And boom! I just like built that like super fast, and yeah, that's pretty cool. So I'm just going to test if it's actually bounced. So let's do that. Yeah. You cannot see me right now, but I'm like at the top. And I'm just going to drop it. Yo, that went flying! Yo, that went flying! It was like I dropped it and it just like oh no, wait. Oh no, what? No. Yes, let's go. I fixed it, but myth confirmed. I just need to test that one more time though. Alright, so the next myth is that if you turn small, you can go to any map like while being small. And I already know that's not going to work, but I'm just going to try it for the video. Yeah. Alright, go into one of these. What the hell? Oh yeah, this actually happens like all the time, and we just need to. Right, so the moment. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you just like kind of get the normal size. That's going to be a myth busted. Yeah. Busted. Yeah. Don't play with me. That myth got busted. Next myth. Okay, guys, the next myth is that if you like put your friend in a box and you put him into one of these, his game will crash. And I have my friend here. He's going to help me with this.
Unsubscribe, you scared me.
What? I did absolutely not force him to do this. Oh my god, he just flipped the box. But yeah, let's try. Alright, guys, we're going to test this now. Get in the box! Get in the box now! Right, nice. Alright, let's just close this up. Try not to fall. Did you fall? Just here, go in.
I hate you. I literally hate you so much. Stop picking up the box.
Go in the box! Freaking. No! What did you do?
I destroy your family. I
What the fuck? no. He's putting a curse on my family. Alright, this bad
What the fuck?
boy just kind of pushed this thing into that, and then it broke, so I had to build another one, and then you started putting a curse on my family.
Don't kill me, please, please, please. I'm very scared. Please don't kill me.
Oh, his game didn't crash. Bro, that's so
I
bad.
hate you. I still put carrots on your family.
Yo, what the hell? What the hell? Why are you putting the titty spray on me? What the hell? No. I need to get to the... Alright, so the next myth is that if you like go on the things where you get small and like take your hand, launch yourself, you will like become tiny and fly away like Dub the Bug, I guess. So I'm just going to do that. Yeah. Alright, so we put our hand here in. Alright, first time not worked. Yo, what the hell? What the hell? Okay, I kind of already knew this myth was already working, but that was also the last myth. Guys, we are so close to hitting 100 subscribers, so I will appreciate it if you subscribe because I put a lot of work into these videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe!
Sleep, go to sleep, go sleep, little pig. Go to sleep, go to sleep. Go get a time for you. La da 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 da.